Hey y'all, welcome to another episode of My Tour Tales. This is a special episode. It's a cooking episode. My birds are in the background, so you're going to hear them. But in this episode, I'm going to make white chicken chili. I scoured the internet for a bunch of different recipes, and I put my own together. You're going to love it. It's going to rock. Mind the spatula. I had all the ingredients I needed in the motorhome except for 3, so I hightailed it to Albertsons, Benny Hill style. I found all the ingredients I needed right away. Jumped back in the RAV4 and hauled butt back to the motorhome. The recipe calls for simmering in the pot for a while and eating right away. I like to eat it the next day, but you can try it right after it's finished. Lastly, add a little bit of Tillamook cheddar, Tillamook if you can find it, and eat.
Excellent!
Hey y'all, that's a wrap for my first ever cooking episode on My Tour Tales. Hope you like it, and I hope you make that white chicken chili yourself. You can subscribe in the button below, and don't forget to click that bell icon so you see all my videos. For My Tour Tales, I'm Eric Stone, and remember, open roads, open minds. Hey y'all, that's a wrap. Let's see. Hey y'all, that's a wrap for my first ever cooking episode on My Tour Tales. I hope you learned something. That's so stupid. Hey y'all, that's a wrap for my first ever Hey y'all, that's a wrap for my first ever cooking episode on My Tour Tales. I hope you learned something. I hope you try to make that green. Hey y'all, that's a wrap for my first ever episode. First ever cooking episode. Hi y'all, that's a wrap for my first ever cooking episode on My Tour Tales. I hope you make that white chicken chili yourself and try it out. Remember, subscribe right over there, and also click that bell icon. Make sure you get all my videos. We'll see you next time. From Eric Stone. Yeah. Damn it. So close. Hey y'all, that's a wrap for my first ever cooking episode on My Tour Tales. I hope you liked it. I hope you try to make that white chicken chili yourself. Remember, hey y'all, that's a wrap for my first ever